Astro lovers. In my previous video, I had shown you guys how to convert your non-motorized or non-go-to Dobsonian telescope into a push-to system. And after that, some of you had commented about testing this in actual situation, the field testing. If you haven't watched that, please watch that video first. So today, in this video, I am going to demonstrate how I have used that DIY push-to system to locate Venus and Saturn. So here I am doing some rough alignment. Now we will do the final alignment. We will locate the object through the mobile, the stereo map, and then we will look into the eyepiece and go back and forth until and unless both are aligned. So here I am adjusting the screws to align the mobile. So I'm searching for planet Venus, and as you can see, I have centered that and we'll look through the eyepiece. Since I'm holding the mobile, it's not very sturdy, so sorry for that. Now let's search for Saturn. Now while testing this, sometimes I have observed that the mobile will throw an error related to compass calibration. I'm not exactly sure if it is due to too much of zooming in or it is because of some field interference. Moving the Dobsonian can be sometimes really very tiring, so I was thinking of making another project wherein it will be assisted motion, like using some stepper motor. When I make that video, I'll post it over here, so do subscribe to my channel if you continue watching the upcoming videos. Till then, enjoy.